Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of DIY Diecast. Got a great video for you today. It is the 1970 Dodge Power Wagon. Alright, and this thing is looking good. Hot Wheels decaled it all up. They got it looking like a weekend 4x4 event truck that you would see at the fairgrounds, doing those jumps and tricks and things like that. The details are very nice on this casting. It's available now in stores, and it's not bad altogether. The wheels on it aren't even that bad, but I've got some way better looking wheels that I want to swap on here, and just to go a little bit better with the decal theme that they have going here. So stay tuned. I'll put you on pause, bring you over here, and let's detail this thing up. Alright, here it is up close. It is the 1970 Dodge Power Wagon. And just from looking at it, with it still being in the package, it looks like a pretty incredibly detailed casting. Got a nice light bar up there. And those wheels are pretty great too. Some things you can improve upon, some things you can't. And you let me know what you think when the video is over with. Let's go ahead and get it out of the package and get a closer look. One thing that you'll notice right off the jump, even before you get it out of the package, is that compared to other Hot Wheels trucks, it's a big casting. It really is wider than most trucks, and it's bigger, you know. They did not color in the tail lights. I'll take care of that with a toothpick and some red paint. No license plate, sadly. We did not get side mirrors, and they did not color in the lights in the front, but the details are all there. They're pretty good. Big bulky plastic axle housings. That's to be expected from a mainline. Even on their premium models, that's kind of par for the course. These are all things that we like to improve upon, and that's what I like to focus on my channel, is taking the details a little bit farther on these mainline vehicles. There's a lot of channels out there that cover all the latest redline clubs and treasure hunts or whatnot, but I like the mainline stuff and making it look like I want to make it look like. So yep, here it is, and we'll just go ahead and get ripping right in this, and we'll see what the finished product looks like at the end.